All right, those are just my Walmart mini pies down into my pan here. I use half a stick of butter. And now we're just gonna start breaking these up using our meat mashers. We're gonna create a little bit of a solid surface down here on the bottom. Now I used a variety. We've got cherry pie back here. This pie is spicy pineapple. We've got apple here. And strawberry cream pie. Doesn't this all look delicious? Now on top of my strawberry cream pies here, I'm gonna add some fresh strawberries. Ooh, beautiful. To my apple pies here, I'm gonna be adding fresh apples. Wonderful. On our spicy pineapple pie, I'm gonna add some crushed pineapple. And back here, we're coming in with our dark, beautiful cherries. And we're just placing those right on top. Gorgeous. All right, we're taking our butter over to the stove. 1 pound of butter into our frying pan. To that, I'm gonna add about 3 cups of dark brown sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, we're gonna get this melted, mixed, and combined. This is gonna be the perfect, delicious, easy topping that's gonna just perfectly bring together all those flavors, colors, and substances that we are making in this extra sweet and delicious dessert. All right, our caramel sauce is perfect. Let's get this back to the counter. Here we go. Gorgeous. That delicious caramel sauce. We're just letting it seep down and distribute over all of our different fruits here. Ooh, this is looking so beautiful. Those strawberries, those apples, that crushed pineapple, and our cherries. Now I'm just gonna add in some ground cinnamon. Ooh, perfect. A little bit of ginger. I'm gonna be ginger with this since it doesn't have the little thing on it for some reason. Perfect, smells so good. And just a pinch of nutmeg. Perfect. All right, those were just 2 packs of our Pillsbury crescent rolls right on top. Now I'm just coming in with a little bit of my residual butter, and I am just gonna brush these crescent rolls so they bake up beautifully golden brown. And isn't this gonna be so fun? We've got all these delicious flavors in here. Those strawberries, apples, crushed pineapple, cherries, something for everyone. Really, really yummy and easy for this time of year. I think y'all are going to love it. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this in my oven covered at 350 for about 1 hour. Alrighty, y'all. Our 4 flavored pie is ready. We've got our pie crust on the bottom. We've got our delicious fruits. We've got strawberries, apples, pineapple, cherries, and of course those caramel sauce and our crescent rolls on top. Yum, something for everyone. This is the perfect treat to make for the holidays. Let me just get in here with a big old scoopy scoop. Yum, doesn't that look good? Strawberry delight. Ooh, yummy. You wanna taste it, Marty?
Sure.
All right. There you go.
Oh, wow.
So really good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Y'all?
I mean, how could it be bad? Butter, sugar, Pie.
Use whatever fruits you like, but you gotta try it.